Claude is Anthropic's take on the large language model, and it's named after Claude Shannon of Shannon Enterbury. That's the father of information theory. What makes Claude interesting is that instead of just relying on human feedback, thumbs up, thumbs down, I like that response, I didn't like that response, it actually follows a set of built-in rules called the Constitution. And it's designed to keep Claude's responses ethical. It means it's a bit less likely to say something silly or unsafe, but it's still built on massive data sets like any other large language model. When you pick a version of Claude, they're called Sonnet or Opus, you're really choosing things like how big the context window is, how fast it is, how many requests you can get a day. Paid versions give you much more flexibility, but even the free one is worth trying if you're curious. You only get Sonnet with the free version. Click the link below to see the full video on these concepts. That is part 1 of lecture 2, all about Claude. If you want more practical AI for real-world work, check out the whole playlist. It's called The No Coder's Guide to Surviving Generative AI. The series is there to help non-coders really get value from these tools. And if you need a refresher on the basics or want to understand the foundations, you should see Lecture 1, Introduction to Prompt and Context Engineering, before watching Lecture 2.